Once upon a time, there was an old tailor who lived in a small village. He used to make the best clothes with good price. One day, a poor villager approached him and said, "You make a lot of money from your work. Why don't you help the poor people in the village? Look at the poor butcher who doesn't have a lot of money, but he gives meat to the villagers every single day and helps them." The tailor didn't say anything, but smiled calmly. The poor villager left upset and spread the rumors in the village that the tailor has a lot of money, but he's stingy to donate any to the poor people of the village, and they stopped coming to him. Eventually, the old tailor felt ill and stayed most of his time at home until he one day passed away and nobody has come to visit him. Soon after that, the villagers noticed that the butcher stopped sending meat to the poor people of the village. The butcher said, "The tailor used to give me money every month to send meat to the poor people. When he died, the donations stopped." The moral lesson of the story: people might think poorly of you or consider you pure as a saint. Actually, what matters is your true self and what God knows about you. So don't judge people based on what other people say about them. You have to listen carefully to what they say to you in person and judge based on the circumstances that they've gone through, because then you might change your judgment of them. Have a wonderful day.